Okay fellas, hi, we have the Milwaukee not gone, and this one is working, but it has the bad sound when working, so let's check the bearings and other parts of the tool. Okay, this one is wobble a lot. Okay, let's check. Yeah, this is wobble a lot, and as you may know that the bearing goes with the housing here. You can see that we have the bearing here, and it just goes with this plastic housing. And basically I think that's shitty design on the Milwaukee, but it is like it is. Okay, so the wobble schmobble, yep. And we have the LED light here, and basically what I want to do, I don't want to disconnect the LED light, I want to check the anvil. You can see this part, it's working on a housing, and we have the dried grease here, and everything else looks pretty normal, so we can considering try to lubricating on the cleaning this one, and you can hope that it will be good, but most of the time it's not getting any good here because it may fail, and when the tool is made to fail, it is like it is. So let's check. Do we have wear and tear sign here? And okay, I can't feel any groove or something similar on the anvil. Okay, so let's try doing that. Okay, you can see that it's got a lot of black grease here, burnt grease, and of course that's specific. This tool works in a car shop, so it says dirt, grease, and so on. What I have here, I have the grease, the wood grease put on the anvil and into the housing. Why I'm doing that? Because I want to assemble it and check, maybe, just maybe, the tool can work like that. And okay, let's check. Yep. Have it now here, and what I just want to do, I want to test it because it's I always can change the anvil and the housing, and that will be expensive, of course, because I don't know how the other countries, but the anvil it's about 45 euros, this one's 50 euros, and the work, and basically most of the time the customer says that it's not worth it to repair. So let's just try try to do it like that, and okay, maybe move it a little bit too drastical. We'll check if I have not pressed any wire. No, feels good. Feels good, looks good. Works like it should work, probably. Okay, no, I don't like that. Yep. I was pressing the LED light wire with the hammer housing. Does it look better now? I hope so. We have closed it, and I think I have not got the but probably. No, everything looks good. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the moment of the tool, and okay, the sound seems to be gone, and that's good for us. So that's all. Press thumbs up, subscribe, and bye.